How to activate Barclays credit card without logging into any account. Method 1. Activate by phone. One of the quickest ways to activate your Barclays credit card is by calling their activation hotline. Here's how. Dial 080006844499. Once connected, the automated system will guide you through the activation process. You will be asked to provide your 16-digit credit card number, the expiration date of your card, and 3-digit security code CVV on the back of your card. For security purposes, you may be asked to confirm the last 4 digits of your registered phone number or the date of birth. Once your identity is verified, the system will confirm that your Barclays credit card has been successfully activated and you can begin using immediately. Method 2. Activate via a Barclays ATM. If you prefer, you can activate your Barclays credit card at Barclays ATM without logging into any online account. Locate a nearby Barclays ATM using the ATM Locator tool on the Barclays website or mobile app. Insert your new Barclays credit card into the ATM. Enter the PIN you received with your card. If you haven't set up a PIN yet, the ATM will allow you to create one during the activation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to activate your card. Once complete, your credit card will be activated and ready for use. Activating your Barclays credit card without logging into an online account is fast and easy. Whether you choose to activate your card over your phone or at Barclays ATM, both methods ensures your card is activated within minutes, allowing you to start using it right away. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.